Hello everyone. Today I'm going to install a center console into my 08 Crown Victoria P71. So I went to junkyard, got a center console from a 07 Lincoln Town Car. And you can see I've already put the back seat. So now I'm going to install the center console. But before that, I didn't know that there's a vent underneath. And if you put the center console on the top, it was too high for the mounting bracket for the center console. So I'm going to lift the floor mat and remove the plastic vent. So let's do it. Now, as you can see, when I lift the floor mat, you can see this dot, and at the bottom of the seat, underneath of the seat. I'm going to remove this. And actually, when I went to junkyard, remove the center console, and this one, that's supposed to go replace the other one. So I'm going to remove that and try to put this back on. See, this is that vent for the rear there. So let's do it. No, there's a problem, and because too high, so the floor mat won't go down fully. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna cut a big hole and then let the plastic mat go above this, so this mat will go underneath of the plastic vent. Okay, let's try. Finger crossed. Now, do you know what I mean? Cut it and go through the top of the floor mat. Okay, let's put on the center console seat. Okay, now we've done Lincoln Town Car center console. Perfect. Under the back seat. Well, what do you think? Not bad, huh? So now I think they should have a vent should working. it should be, then should work. Let's try. Now let's see. So it's working, but it only goes working when you select the floor, right? If you select the vent, just a little bit, but when you select the floor, it's very strong. Cool, well done. Not bad. Ooh. And you might see this one. I did it earlier, and I got this from 03 Chevy Tahoe rear view mirror, and then I also took the outside temperature sensor and connected with the rear view mirror. So now I have a compass and outside temperature. Not difficult. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.